If you want to quickly make a group or component larger or smaller in SketchUp, the scale tool is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to resize in SketchUp step by step, including how to scale proportionally and how to enter an exact size using the measurements box. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more SketchUp tips and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your SketchUp model and select the object you want to resize. This can be a group, a component, or any object that you've already isolated and are ready to scale. It's important to select the correct object before you start, because the scale tool will resize whatever is currently selected. Once your object is selected, use the scale tool shortcut by pressing S on your keyboard. As soon as you activate it, you'll see green handles appear around the object. These handles are what you use to resize the model, and they show you that SketchUp is ready for scaling. Now, if you want to scale the object proportionally, click and drag one of the corner handles. Corner handles are the easiest way to keep the shape looking balanced while making it bigger or smaller. As you pull the handle outward, the object becomes larger. If you pull inward, the object becomes smaller. This is the simplest method when you just want to resize something visually without worrying about an exact measurement. If you need a specific size, SketchUp makes that easy too. Click and drag a handle and then type the exact dimension you want into the measurements box. Make sure you include the unit, such as 12 inches or 3 meters, depending on your project. After typing the measurement, press enter and SketchUp will resize the object to match that value. This is especially useful when you need accuracy, like matching a model to real-world dimensions, adjusting furniture, or changing the size of a part in a layout. Instead of guessing, you can enter the exact number and know the scale tool will be precise. Here's an important tip to remember. If you type just a number without a unit, like 2, SketchUp will not interpret that as a specific length. Instead, it will use that number as a scale factor, which means the object will simply double in size. That can be useful if you want to enlarge something proportionally, but if you want an exact final measurement, always include the unit. So to recap, the basic process is simple. Select your group or component, press S to activate the scale tool, use the green handles to resize, and either drag a corner handle for proportional scaling or type an exact dimension into the measurements box for precise control. Once you get used to it, resizing in SketchUp becomes very fast and very easy. I hope this helped you learn how to resize in SketchUp. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.